Hi there and welcome to the Money Man Show. Today I'm going to review some of the trades we are currently in and see another type of trading style. Before I begin, I would like to again show you my site, themoneymanshow.com, where in the right side you can see the trading log, where you can see my live trades. I will post them. I've been posting them and will post them as soon as I can when I get in and out of the positions. In the quote news section you have a lot of real-time free data, and in the search page a good home page for someone who has just a search engine as a page, where you can search by all three major search engines, and on the side you have the emails, social network, multimedia, a lot of stuff, information, a lot of newspapers worldwide. So check it out if you like it. Feel free to bookmark it. Now the trades. So one of the positions we are in, it's Google. This is the weekly chart. It's an inverted head and shoulders. Trade is going well. I just added some last week at 498.5. Last week didn't finish the best possible way, but because we had faced some resistance here, see this high faced some of resistance, but it was okay. The stochastic is set up for a bigger move. We didn't test this trend line again, which is good. The daily chart is also showing inverted head and shoulders. As you can see, the left shoulder here, the head, and the right shoulder, and it's almost set to pop up. Okay, stochastic is good. Also, I believe that Google on the short medium term is going to the 600, around 580, 600, and in the long run, you know, my price target is 900. Okay, so we are set to go here on Google. My next one is a stock I entered last Friday and I got out today. It's Wynn Resorts. Why did I enter? Because it broke this trend line, and it broke this trend line within this candle. Then see, just like by magic, this candle test this one and then test it again, and when it got up of this candle I bought around 90.24 I believe, and today I sold it at 93.28. Didn't sell it at the highs of the day because there's a small resistance here and I didn't want it to risk it. But if this breaks this high, I believe we can go around the 100 area. Okay, so this is, if you enter it didn't got out yet, you can exit half and the other half around the 100 area. Okay, the other thing I would like to check is the S&P trade. In the daily chart it seems that it's making inverted head and shoulders, but the stochastic for me it's I think it's just waiting to do something. This actually is a bullish setup, but only if it's in the low, not on the high. Okay, so I still think we are going to the short side, maybe not in the short term, but I would have actually to be long. I would like to see it test here and then go up, but in the longer term, as you know, I'm short. So in the daily chart is probably medium bullish. In the weekly chart actually it's more bullish because stochastic is going up. But as you know, in the monthly chart, I still think we are going down. Okay, so this is my views over the short, medium, and long term on the SPX. It's the S&P. Now for another one. This is the United States Oil Fund. It tracks the oil price. And I'm going to introduce you some new types of trade you can use. It's the Fibonacci. If you can see here, it made a double bottom and it broke the middle side, so it has good chances of going and close at least this gap here if it breaks above this area. Okay, but one thing that I would like to show you, not on the daily chart because there's a lot of congestion here, you can't see much, but on the weekly chart you can see one very interesting thing. If you use the Fibonacci on this, so what have we done? We used the low I and the first low of this I, and we are seeing the extensions of the Fibonacci. If you see, it just touches the 1.618. It's the called golden number, and then to the downside it also touched the 0.618, never closed below, tested the 0.5, which is also a Fibonacci number, but never closed below the 0.618, you see, and now it's going up again, and it has very good chances of going to this area again. The stochastic is set up to upside move, and if you do the extensions again on this move, a bigger move, you can see that if it breaks this area, the 0.618, it will almost for sure go to the 1.618. okay, so we will see what this makes in this week and next one. It needs to break above this candle. Okay, so I might be bullish on the oil, but we will see in the end of the week. So for now, that's it. If you have any suggestions or charts for me to analyze, feel free to send them to the moneymenshow@gmail.com. Okay.